This stunning house in Devin, Slovakia, seamlessly blends modern design with the surrounding natural beauty. Nestled on the outskirts of town, the property boasts direct access to the Devin forest, creating a truly unique living experience. The architects cleverly used the sloping terrain to their advantage. The house is partially built into the hillside, allowing for a smooth entrance from the north side. Large windows on the south and west sides offer breathtaking views of the forest and Devin Castle. The true star of the show is the connection between the house and its natural surroundings. Raised wooden terraces extend the living area seamlessly into the mature trees, creating the feeling of living amongst the canopy. A two-story extension further enhances this connection, offering a unique perspective of the surrounding woods. The southwest terrace boasts a small pool, perfect for cooling off on a hot summer day. Industrial grading steps lead down to a beautifully landscaped garden, ideal for relaxing or entertaining guests. For those seeking additional relaxation, a sauna is tucked away in the narrowest part of the property. The ground floor features a spacious and modern living area. An open floor plan combines the kitchen, dining room, and living room with a fireplace, creating a perfect space for socializing. A guest room, bathroom, and utility areas complete the ground floor. Just outside the entrance, a shaded pergola provides parking for 3 cars and additional storage space. Upstairs, a suspended gallery offers dedicated space for the family. This area includes children's bedrooms, a bathroom, and an open-plan study area. On the opposite side, a narrow terrace overlooks the street, offering additional views of the castle. The top floor is a haven for the parents. This private space features a luxurious bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, a walk-in wardrobe, and a spacious roof terrace overlooking the surrounding greenery. An airy steel staircase connects all floors of the house, culminating in a glazed exit leading to the rooftop viewing platform. The house is a perfect blend of modern materials and traditional construction techniques. It is supported by concrete piles and reinforced concrete slabs, while the above-ground structure utilizes a wooden system. The exterior is clad in ventilated cedar boards, adding a touch of warmth and natural beauty. This home in Devin is a true architectural marvel. By embracing the surrounding nature and incorporating modern design elements, the architects have created a truly unique and inspiring living space.